This is a wireline tool string. It is a group of tools connected together and run into the well on a wire line. We use a wireline tool string to perform jobs inside the well without pulling the tubing or stopping production. This tool string can set tools, pull tools, measure depth, or open and close downhole equipment. A tool string is not one tool. It is made of many sections, and each one has a specific job. All these tools work together as one system, so the operation can be done safely and accurately. Think of a wireline tool string like a toolbox. Each tool has a role, but together they complete the job. In the next videos, we will explain each part of the wireline tool string and how it works.